Hello everyone, this is Rehan back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the cheap and best micro USB cable which I bought from Amazon. This cable is 10 feet long, which is almost 3 meters guys. Yes, it's almost 3 meters. And this cable is from Amazon Basics, as you guys can find the link in the description below where you can buy this cable. So after we do the unboxing, we will test whether this cable supports fast charging using my S7 Edge, my Samsung adaptable fast charger, and we also measure the cable length with the tape. Okay, so let's unbox it. The box comes with the cable only. Let's remove the tied wire. And let the cable free. As you guys can see, the cable quality is really good and reliable, and also the metallic male ports are made of gold like material that provides resistance against heat, which is also a biggest advantage of this cable. Now we will measure the cable with my 3-meter tape. After measuring the cable with my 3-meter tape, my tape almost ran out of the readings guys. So it's good to be true that the cable is actually 3.04 meters long as they claim. Now we will charge the phone and check whether it fast charges. As you guys can see, yes, it supports fast charging, and also the main advantage is that the cable doesn't get hot. Like the other micro USB cable which I bought in the internet, that actually heats the phone, but this cable doesn't do that. I really love this cable guys. It's long, it fast charges the phone, and it doesn't heat the phone and also the charger as well. The price is not too much, and you guys can buy in the link in the description below at cheaper price during the Amazon sales and discount time. I hope you guys find this video useful. Thumbs up if you liked it, subs if you loved it. Do check the link in the description below for pricing and more videos. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.